Welcome to the channel, everyone. My name is Heath, and today we're going to be unboxing the TONOR T90 microphone boom arm. I want to give a big thanks to TONOR for supplying me with this boom arm for this review. But let's not waste any time. Let's jump in this video and let's check out this boom arm from TONOR. So here we have the box that we received from TONOR with a T90 RGB boom arm for your microphone. Yeah, very simple packaging. We'll open it up in just a second, see what's inside, and take a look at this boom arm. Once you actually open the box, this is what you're greeted with. These are the parts for the boom arm. They come inside a little packaging, and there's a nice foam insert as well to protect the boom arm during shipping. And this is what comes in the box once you open it. So once you remove everything from the packaging, you are greeted with the boom arm, the desk clamp, the mount for the boom arm itself, and a USB-C to Type A cable that is connected to the base of the boom arm to activate the RGB. So once you remove everything from the package, you have the boom arm, the cable, the desk mount, and the mount itself. You take the desk clamp itself and the mount, it slides onto the desk clamp. Then you can tighten up the boom arm inside of it once you get it mounted to the desk. There is a swivel handle on the bottom of it that you use to clamp it to the desk. There is a screw to tighten the boom arm onto the mount itself. It slides off and on very easily. So once you get it mounted, it will be secure to the desk. So here we have a nice shot of the USB cable that comes in the box that connects to our boom arm. So here is the boom arm itself once you remove it from the box. It is made from extremely sturdy material and will hold almost any microphone I imagine you can put on it. Installation of the mount is very simple. It slides over the corner of your desk. Then you tighten up the clamp to the desk itself. That way your boom arm does not move. Make sure you have it nice and secure. As you can see, my wife tightened it up here, and there we go. There is the mount. Now that we have the clamp secured to the desk, you insert the boom arm inside of the top of the mount, tighten it up. That way the boom arm itself cannot be removed. Installation is very simple. Once you slide the boom arm into the mount, this is what it looks like right here. It's a very nice, very clean looking boom arm. Once you get it plugged up, we'll get it plugged up in a second and show you what it looks like with the RGB on with various colors as well. Now that we have our boom arm plugged up, as you can see, the RGB lighting is on. The TONOR label on this side does not control the lighting. However, there is one just like it on the back side that you can press. That will change the lighting to different effects, different colors. As you see, my wife just touched it. Now it is red. If you go back again, it will change to the next color. And it is simply just press and hold to turn the lighting off completely. As you can see, the lighting right here is just really nice. It's really vibrant. Each time you press the back of the boom arm, it will change the lighting and will cycle through the different colors. As you can see right here, we have our just rainbow effect going up and down the boom arm. Each press changes it to a different color. I personally like it as purple, and that is what I finished up setting it as with the purple color. Touch it one more time. My camera doesn't do a very good job of picking up the actual color, but that is a blue color right there. And now here we have our final color. We turn the lights out in this next segment just to get a better idea of what the colors are. It is relatively dark in my room, so you can see the colors are actually pretty bright. My camera a little bit grainy because it's trying to compensate for the darkness in the room. But as you can see, the colors are super bright, really, really vibrant. They show up really well in a dark room and actually show up really well in a lighted room as well. And again, just tapping the different colors. There's a green color we have right there. It's kind of a greenish yellow, I guess you could say. There is the actual green color on the boom arm itself. And again, just cycling through the different colors. There's our rainbow effect. Now we have a microphone attached to a boom arm. And as you can see, these are the channel raceways. They snap onto the back of the boom arm itself. They slide on and off so you can hide your cabling for your microphone. As you can see, my microphone hangs a little bit low, so the cable does show some, but it runs along the back side through those channels, across over to the computer, and then they connect to the computer on the back of it. It is a USB. If you would like to use a XLR cable as well for a different type of microphone, it will fit inside of the channel raceway itself too. That way you can have really nice cable management for your microphone on your desk. Also, this microphone arm is really tall, so you have good clearance on your desk if you want to place it behind your monitor. I want to get one final shot of the Boomarm itself up close. That way you can see what it really looks like. Boomarm itself, Toner did an absolutely amazing job with how this Boomarm looks, with the construction of it. I'm really pleased with it. I just want to say thank you to Toner for providing me this Boomarm for review. They did a really great job implementing the RGB. It's not over the top, but it still looks really well and it's done really tasteful on the Boomarm. If you're looking to add some more RGB to your setup, be sure to pick up this Boomarm from Toner. I'll leave a link for it down in the description. That way you can grab it for yourself. And there we go. That is my review of the TONOR T90 RGB microphone boom arm. Just once again, big thanks to TONOR for providing me the boom arm for the review. Anyway, gonna leave a link down in the description below if you want to pick it up for yourself. But until next time, much love, peace out, and we'll see you in the next one.